Good afternoon to all. My name is Zee Nakshatram from 9th class in KGBV Urkonda, Nagar Karnool district. Sri Anumola Revanth Reddy Garu, CM General Municipal Administration, Education and Law and Order.
Ponnam Prabhakar, Transport and BC Welfare.
Komatireddy Venkat Reddy Garu, Roads and Buildings and Cinematography.
Jupalli Krishnarao Garu, Prohibition and Excise Tourism Culture.
Adlur Lakshman Kumar, SC, ST, Minorities Welfare.
For Konda Suraka, Forest and Endowment.
Damodar Raja Narasimha Garu, Health, Medical and Family Welfare.
Tumala Nageshwar Rao Garu, Agriculture, Handloom, Textiles.
Nitila Srinath Babu, Electronics and Communication.
Sri Malubati Vikramarka, Deputy CM, Finance, Planning and Energy.
Ponguleti Srinivas Reddy, Revenue, Housing, Information.
Nalamara Uttam Kumar Reddy, Irrigation, Crop, Food, Civil Supplies.
Madam Vivek Venkat Swamy Garu, Labor, Employment and Mines Geology.
Sitaka Panchayat Raj, Rural Development, Women and Child Development.
Thank you.